Hey everybody, this is Sonny the RV DJ, and today we are installing our carbon fiber accent trim on the front cowl of the Jeep. The 7 slots in the front on the top. And of course, like with every Jeep project, you know, you have to do some surgery because that's how it is. So I'm adding some more to there. Because, you know, the beginning of the video was actually just a photograph. And I didn't get to say everything that I wanted to because it didn't record. You know.
Oh, that's one.
So I had to do it again. So here we are. Doing the introduction. Because, you know, why not? But yep, I've done one already. I'll show you what it looks like without busting my butt. That's what it looks like. So I have 6 more to do. And I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. You've been doing what?
Oh, I have been finished installing our GMRS mobile unit for the Jeep. So I got the antenna wire on, and now I just have to do the stuff inside.
Where's the antenna?
Well, it's over on the other side.
Ah, look at that little stubby thing. Isn't that cute?
That is a mid-length/rapid radio 3 dB gain antenna.
Why is it leaning in towards the fender? Is that supposed to do that?
Yeah, because that's how it went in. I just may have to loosen the bolt and give it a twirl, but I wanted to get it.
Well, it looks like it's going this way.
That's all right. I mean, it's fine. It's going that way because it's UHF, so it doesn't really make that much difference.
Like the movie?
Like the movie.
Okay. All right. So anyway, let's get. Oh, we got Duncan too, because you gotta have Duncan, right? So pretty much what I'm doing with this silly trim is cutting some thinner slices of real 3M double-sided sticky tape and putting it on the back of these things because they're being a little chintzy right there with the tape. Yes. So let me get back at it and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. Alright, so there you go. That is the carbon fiber accent trim for the cowl. Matches everything else. Again, it's not real carbon fiber, just plastic accenting. I did have to take off the double-sided sticky tape that came on them and replace it with the good stuff. So, but that's what it looks like. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.